Get organized. Your attorney can use good information better than a pile of information. One of the most useful things a client can do in a family law case has nothing to do with making a legal argument. Get organized. Divorce and child custody disputes can generate an enormous amount of information. Tax returns, bank statements, pay stubs, photographs, school records, medical records, text messages, emails, calendars, receipts, court filings, police reports, and sometimes hundreds or thousands of pages of other material. Clients understandably think, my lawyer needs to see all of this. Maybe, but there is an enormous difference between providing information and providing usable information. Imagine receiving 300 screenshots named IMG-4371, 4372, 4373, and so on. Somewhere in there may be a very important conversation, but somebody has to open every file, determine what it contains, put the screenshots in order, figure out who is speaking, identify the date, and determine what the conversation is about. That takes time, and in a law office, time costs money. You can make the same information much more useful by doing some simple things. Give files descriptive names when you reasonably can. Organize related documents into logical groups. Keep financial records together rather than mixing them with communications about the children. Preserve complete conversations when context matters rather than saving only one sentence that appears favorable to you. Keep the original document or electronic file whenever possible instead of repeatedly converting or copying it. A simple chronology can also be extremely helpful. It does not have to be a novel. Date, event, and a short explanation may be enough. If there is a supporting document, identify it. That can help your legal team see patterns and locate the evidence associated with important events. Organization is especially important when your attorney or legal assistant asks you for something specific. If you are asked for 12 months of bank statements, try to provide 12 months of bank statements in order rather than sending a collection of financial documents and asking the law office to figure out what is missing. If you cannot obtain something, say so. If you do not understand the request, ask. And do not assume that quantity is a substitute for relevance. 20 useful documents that can be understood quickly may be much more valuable than 2,000 pages that nobody can efficiently navigate. None of this changes whether the underlying facts are good or bad. Organization cannot manufacture a stronger case. What it can do is help ensure that the facts that actually matter do not disappear inside a mountain of disorganized information. Your attorney knows the law. You know much of the history and possess much of the information. When you organize that information well, you make it easier for your legal team to understand your case and put the useful information to work.